Hi, it's Luang from Google Tech, and today I'm gonna talk about the repair option when you have something broken. In modern times, the huge production system has gradually changed the people's consumption habits. Buying new is often the first choice when an item is damaged because fixing it is sometimes cost more than the value of the item itself. That is the manufacturer's dream, and they promote it by making repairs impossible. Even when you agree to pay for the high repair cost, it's still very difficult to find the original spare parts. Luckily, you can still find some of them online and usually find them from China with a very good price. One of the notable efforts from the EU is the Right to the Repair Directive. It encourages consumers to consider the possibility to repair before replacing the stuff that they use. Its greatest benefit is that we can reduce the increasing amount of waste that we release to the environment. In this video, I encourage you to do the same. Don't think that repair is a difficult task. 80% of damaged devices can be repaired and reused for a long time, and here is some example. The most common are devices that use batteries at the end of their life cycle. You should need to find the same batteries and replace it, like I did with these wireless headphones. It needs a 600 mAh battery and I ordered it online, then cut off the old battery and replace it with a new one. Even if you can find the exact part, a repair is still possible. For example, my speaker system has a broken volume button here. I couldn't find a potentiometer with a small size and I have to use the long one. But there's still a way to adjust it accordingly. That is about electronic parts. You just need to find a similar component and then replace them. As for mechanical parts, you can download them online or redesign it yourself. There's many models already designed, so you can download for free or at a very low cost. And in case you need to redesign it yourself, there are plenty of choices of CAD software to help you. And if you need to know where to start, you can try my free CAD tutorial series here. Simple examples like this can opener, which is made for metal except for the handle. When this part is broken, I immediately sketches a replacement, and now I can use it. A little more complicated is this steam pipe for the sauna. If replacement parts are not available, a new sauna system must be purchased. Redesign the steam pipe can greatly reduce the cost compared to the completely replacing it, and also avoid a large amount of waste from the whole sauna. Of course, you will need something to do the repair yourself. For example, soldering iron, pliers, cutter, but those are cheap to have. For mechanical parts, 3D printers is a popular option, but it's not necessary for you to have one. If you look around your neighborhood, I'm pretty sure that you can find some people to providing the 3D printing service. And before open and repair your stuff, just spend some minutes looking on the internet because the problem you have may be already taken care of by other people, or that could save you a lot of time. Repairing may take time to buy, find, or make the spare parts, but you will have the choice of being handy as well as the good feeling of protecting our environment. I hope this video motivate you to repair your things before buying new one. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see in the next one. Happy making!